What we're going to be using to make the Alfredo potato. Cook your chicken strips according to the package. Next, add in some minced garlic. Once your strips are done, we're going to go ahead and remove these from the pan and add our broccoli. We're going to cook these for about 2 minutes and remove them from the pan. Now we're going to add in our sauce. Add in some Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle in some Cajun seasoning. Now we're going to stir this all up. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our strips and broccoli back to the sauce. We're going to give this a good stir. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright, you guys, the sauce is ready. So now we're going to go ahead and take our baked potato out the oven, add the sauce to the potato, add some more cheese on the top, and we're going to bake this for an additional 10 minutes. And you guys, this is it. Voila, we have an Alfredo potato, you guys. Ooh.